Line pressure needs to vary in step with accelerator position and vehicle speed. That requires extra control over the primary regulating valve. High line pressure will hold a band or apply a clutch securely to prevent slippage when the accelerator is depressed and high torque is transmitted. Once the vehicle is moving and the transmission is upshifting, less torque is transmitted, so lower line pressure is adequate. Applying throttle pressure to the spring end of the primary regulating valve lifts line pressure. Applying modulator pressure to the opposite end reduces it. Line pressure is supplied to the throttle valve at all times, and throttle pressure is derived from it. At closed throttle, the throttle valve is at rest and line pressure is blocked off by a land. Throttle pressure is zero. Depressing the accelerator transfers movement through the kickdown valve and spring. This opens the throttle valve and the land uncovers the line pressure port. Fluid at line pressure is now metered into the throttle valve circuits and a TV pressure is quickly established. It extends through the orifice to the valve reaction area. This tends to close the valve against the spring force, minimizing pressure fluctuations. A balance is established to produce a TV pressure relative to the accelerator position. TV pressure can vary from 0 to around 1200 kilopascals. TV pressure is directed back through the circuits to the spring end of the primary regulator valve. It helps the spring oppose the force of fluid acting on the valve's differential area via the orifice. TV pressure holds the primary regulator valve down to increase line pressure according to throttle opening. This ensures clutch and band apply forces are maintained in step with throttle position.